When are you going to stop breastfeeding? Isn't she getting a little bit too old for that? Have you heard any of these comments before? Hi, and welcome to the #1 place for busy and tired moms, where I help you using my 4M system: money, motivation, marriage, and motherhood to prioritize tasks and stay energized. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with those hateful, rude, eye-rolling, judgmental, and might I add, unsolicited comments about your breastfeeding. So keep on watching. Before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I need you to go ahead and smash the like button and let me know down below in the comment section, how do you deal with those hateful, unwanted, judgmental, eye-rolling comments about breastfeeding? I'm tired too about hearing, how long are you going to be breastfeeding her? How old is she? None of your damn business. Okay, let's get to it. Firstly, you need to decide, are you responding or are you not? If you're not going to respond, simply smile and laugh. Laugh those comments off. Or change the subject. That's a beautiful shirt you're wearing. Oh my God, your hair is gorgeous. Oh my God, I love your lipstick. Change the subject, baby. Or better yet, you can get serious and stern. Inform your family and friends that the subject matter is completely off the table, off limits. We are not touching it. We are not discussing it. It is not up for discussion. If they continue, you simply say, this works best for my family and I. Thank you so much for your opinion. Now, if you do choose to respond, I'll teach you how to dust those haters off. Oh, I meant? What I actually meant was I'll teach you how to intelligently deflect those unwanted comments. Keep on watching, boo. Educate. A lot of our family and friends have never breastfed past a few days or weeks or even a few hours, but who's judging? So they have no clue about the endless benefits of breastfeeding. In this case, it is your duty to explain to them the benefits of breastfeeding. And if they won't listen to you, then you need to quote an authoritative figure like the American Pediatric Academy, pictured here. And speaking of benefits, I made a beautiful video just for you on the benefits of breastfeeding, which I think you will enjoy. Be honest and tell them how you feel. You can even go as far as telling them that their comments really hurt your feelings. You can even get a little dramatic. Oh my God, you guys are sending me into depression about your comments and it really hurts my feelings. But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Now let's get serious and jump into actual sentences that you can use when you get those hateful, judgmental, eye-rolling, side-eye comments. I suggest you grab a piece of paper because you will want to write these down. You can actually even take a picture of it so that you can refer back to this when you need it. Another thing that I would suggest is slowing down this video so that you can actually take notes appropriately. So here we go to the sentences that you can use to deflect those unwanted comments about breastfeeding that you get from so-called family and friends. That is really interesting. But where did you hear? I truly appreciate your concern, but we are really happy about the decision to breastfeed. Nursing is cheaper and far healthier than the alternative. Nursing is also much more convenient than dragging around bottles. Who wants to do that? I appreciate your concern, but we are A-okay. I value your opinion, but this works best for us. I know that you cannot avoid people, especially strangers, walking up to you, not minding their business and giving you these comments. But I'm telling you, It helps to be prepared. So write these comments down. Write these responses down, because you will, I guarantee you, at least one person will tell you some BS about breastfeeding, and you will need to be prepared. So go back and watch this video if you need to write these down. You will need to write these down. And because I love you, in the next video, we will discuss a breastfeeding mom's diet. Yes, which does include alcohol. A little bit of wine, a little bit of liquor, a little bit of beer won't hurt you. Just a little bit for the stomach's sake. Now, if this video was helpful for you, I need to know below. I also want to know, how do you respond to those hateful comments? If you think a friend may love this video or find it helpful, please go ahead and share it with them. Don't be mean. I also want to let you know that I'd love to see you on Facebook, Instagram, and go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. I hope you have an amazing day. Be bold, be great, and of course, my dear, be beautiful. See you next time.